We begin tonight with Red, White, and Blue 2014 coverage live at 6. Blocked by the highest court in the land, voters will not need to provide photo identification to vote in November. The U.S. Supreme Court put the law on hold last night, sending county clerks in a new direction as they plan for the election, which is now less than 4 weeks away. NBC 26's Eric Crest is live at 6 tonight with reaction.
34 states have a law in the books requiring voters to show identification at the polls. And it sounds like, at least for now, Wisconsin will not be the 35th state to join the ranks.
On Monday, the 7th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals ruled Wisconsin's voter ID law was constitutional and allowed it to go forward for the November election. But last night's ruling means you can leave your ID at home.
As of right now, photo ID law isn't in place. It will not be required.
At the Brown County Clerk's office, Sandy Juneau has been making the appropriate adjustments, making sure that all absentee votes would be counted if they included a photo ID. Well, that just changed.
So when you have laws changing during the middle of a cycle, there's so many different documents that need to be changed, procedures that need to be changed, people that need to be informed, that it really complicates this whole process for us.
And another thing changed too, at least for many Democrats: attitudes, from disappointment to relief.
I fully agree with the decision that was made. I was shocked, surprised, I'd say happy, because there were 300,000 people at risk not being able to vote.
For many Republicans, though,
I was surprised. I didn't see it coming.
The latest voter ID ruling doesn't mean that they're abandoning their position, but rather that the law is still needed.
This is not about voter suppression. This is not about any of that stuff. This is about, showing your ID to make sure that this election process, this is a sacred election process, that it's fair.
About 300,000 Wisconsinites are said to be without a government-issued ID. If the voter ID law would have stayed in place for the upcoming election, many of those people would have relied on others to choose our future state representatives. Eric Crest, NBC 26.